Yes, so my correct people, I don come again with another ogbonge and legitimate information wey I go like share give all of una. The koko be say the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, wey everybody know as Efcc, they don dey yarn say the American International School of Abuja they don transfer the sum of $760,910.84 to their account. Yes, so say the money now na part payment of the $845,852 wey the former governor of Kogi State, wey be Yahaya Bello, allegedly pay to the American school as school fees of 5 of im children for the school. No be small koko, my correct people. Now the spokesperson now to the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, wey everybody know as EFCC, im name na Wale Oyewale. Na im come dey tell Anointed Lady TV say the school dem bin don write to the commission say they go rather send the money go government account sake of say the issue now e don become public matter. The spokesperson now wey be Oyewale, im come dey yarn say the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission now bin don send the recovery account to the school and they come refund the money. No be small koko, my correct people. See, Yahaya Bello, this man gather mind like this based on the koko wey dey sup. Say the man allegedly pay $720,000 in advance as school fees for 5 of im children from the account of the Kogi State government. No be choice, my correct people. No be every young boy for inside Nigeria be yahoo boy. Even adults, even grown up politicians sef, they dey do yahoo. They dey do yahoo for inside politics. You know say on the April 17th for inside this year 2024, the operatives of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, they be go plaster, they go lay siege for the house of Yahaya Bello for inside Abuja. They wan be go gbab am, they wan be arrest am sake of the 80.2 billion naira fraud. No be small koko, my correct person. No be small yahoo money wey just dey fly anyhow for inside politics. Then as the operatives of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission now, they be dey for Yahaya Bello house to arrest the man as he no gree come outside. Usman Ododo, wey be the current governor of Kogi State, he come Yahaya Bello house, and based on information wey we gather this man spend hours, as in no be 1 hour, no be 2 hours, no be 3 hours. He spend hours for inside Yahaya Bello house before he come comot. As he come comot now, e no reach like 1 hour plus. Now the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission operative wey come to gbab Yahaya Bello, they come comot. Na there the koko come start. Na there they come start to dey yarn say Usman Ododo, wey be the current governor of Kogi State, he don come use magomago means come remove Yahaya Bello from the house. Say the man now, he no dey inside again. Now back to the koko of the hour concerning this school fees money. For inside one letter now wey dey addressed to the Lagos Zonal Commander of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, the school come dey yarn say the sum of $845,852 now they don pay give the school for lectures, fees and every other stuff dem since the 7th day of September 2021 to today. This particular school now wey dey yarn about, the name na American International School Abuja. They come dey talk say the sum, as in the money now wey dem go refund back to the government, na $760,910, because they don already comot the ones wey they don teach the children, all the services, all the educational services now they don already render. They don comot their own money from the $845,852. So they don remove their own because e no go be for free now normally. Can I shock you, my correct person? You know how this school fees matter e take start? For inside one statement like that wey dey signed by Greg Hughes from the American International School Abuja, im come dey yarn say Yahaya Bello now be contact the school for inside 13th of August wey be Friday 2021. Im come dey yarn say im wan pay the family school fees in advance until the students then graduate from high school. No be small matter, my correct people. But this man get mind sha. See the kind money wey im withdraw, $720,000 for inside we country wey be say everybody dey cry every day. For inside state wey be say katakata dey happen, na all these kind things sef dey still dey sup. This one na political yahoo. And you know say the chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission wey be Ola Olakuyede, im bin don talk am before im bin don yarn am say the former governor im bin transfer $720,000 now from the government their saving box to one bureau de change agent dem before im comot for office, before im comot as governor. how this one come dey happen so, and him withdraw the money now to pay for him children their school fees in advance, as in until dem finish high school. You dey see mind wey this man gather. And Olakoyede now wey be the chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, na since on Tuesday na im begin dey yarn this one dey give tori pipo. According to how im take yarn am o, im say a sitting governor now, as in a present governor, because im know very well say im go soon comot, na im kukuma just move the money directly from the government to the bureau de change, make use am take pay for im children their school fees. Make im be say na that one na im achieve $720,000 in advance for school fees. Omo, the chairman come dey yarn o say e no go fit close e eye dey watch all these kind things dey happen. E no go fit just sit down dey look for inside poor state like Kogi state make dem come dey withdraw that kind of money dey do rubbish, say lie say e no go work at all. And my correct people, you know say this man now wey be Olakoyede, wey be the chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, he don already beat him chest say he must bring Yahaya Bello to justice. He say if he no bring Yahaya Bello to justice for this life, he go rather just resign. Say he go just comot for the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. This na to show you say, this na to show the level of commitment wey dey this man heart, wey dey this man mind. He don plaster for him decision say Yahaya Bello now must face the wrath of the law. Now because of this kind of determination, now country people now no come dey even dey reason Yahaya Bello matter, because the man bin don already go court dey yarn say say make the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission bring proof say im withdraw money from Kogi state bank account take pay for im children their school fees. $720,000, my correct person, no be con chop. If you wan translate that money now to naira, you know how much we dey talk about. Now Yahaya Bello dey busy dey talk say say make the Efcc carry the matter come court, say make dem bring their evidence come court, but him now he never even ready to show up. Anytime wey dem set adjournment, anytime wey dem put date say na so day now we wan talk about this matter, he no go gree come outside because he dey fear make dem no arrest am. Person wey know say im hand clean, why you dey dodge? So all those kind things now na something we say we go consider. And my correct person, I don tell you before now say the Kogi State High Court now they don put call give the chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission say make him make sure say he answer present for inside court on the May 13th. Make he come talk why he disobey the court order to try to go arrest Yahaya Bello, because the court now be don order before say make the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission wey be Efcc say make dem no try am say dem arrest or dem detain or dem do anything wey concerning Yahaya Bello based on one or two, you understand. But the chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission now, he can go another court go collect arrest warrant, come go plaster for the domot of Yahaya Bello on Wednesday, say he must arrest Yahaya Bello. So no be small koko dey here, my correct person, no be small matter. We now as country people who go always dey pray say make justice prevail, make anybody now wey dey cause mago wey dey bring katakata come the judicial system, come we country Nigeria, all those rotten politicians, make justice just dey catch all of them, make all of them now just face the full wrath of the law. And we wey be Anointed Lady TV, we go dey give honor the koko as dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, make you try go subscribe quick and make you turn on the notification bell, so that as they bring the news they come, now you go first get the updates and you go get am sharp. And make you try to share the news to your family and friends, so that them too they go get updates on wetin dey play for inside we country Nigeria. And they bring on that update for you, my correct person. No go anywhere.